Started from its simple-to-use high-tech command console, the fully automatic load-unload handling system positions the component on the welding bed. Accurate positioning by its high-speed servo drive system ensures precision and consistency. The robust welding head, designed for high repetitive welding rates, is augmented with an optical stud-in-position sensor. Dual high-speed welding controllers ensure that very high welding rates are possible. Our vibratory ball feeder system ensures a fast, consistent flow of studs to the welding head. The handling system unloads the finished component and places it in the completed component collection area before returning to the initial pickup point to recommence the production cycle. For further information, go to tailor-studwelding.com.